Thank you. Whew. This is supposed to be the new one. Karuba elderflower. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this day started. We got the Breakfast of Champions, a Red Bull, just got some E85.
Sync has connected your phone and
we are about to head out. Weather's been pretty bipolar. It was raining earlier, you could probably see on my windshield. I don't know if it's gonna be a little damp outside. We'll find out. Ooh, we got the sirens going. But if you enjoy these POV drives, let me know down in the comment section. Oh my Lord. Oh my gosh, there's a Lamborghini up here. I wish I had something to wash the windshield with. I don't have any of the solution. It is what it is. Dealership up here. Oh, he's gone already. Ah. Woo. Y'all saw that? He's going to the dealership because the Lambo dealership is right up there and I see where that car is at. Actually, he's going to the Porsche. Oh, yep, right there. People are picking up their new rides. This shit's dangerous, bro. I'm telling you that right now. That was like a 70 roll, and it just went. Whoop. This car honestly feels sketchier leaving from a 70 than a 60 in second, just because the boost is like right there, and it's like. I want to do a hit right now, but it's not safe because any of those cars up there can merge and I'm going to be going too fast. So shit, it's starting to rain. I hope this is just a spot shower. I'll tell you that right now, or like a spot drizzle. We get a lot of those in Houston. I hope it is. Pops. Those are the best, the natural pops. Not that fake shit. Ooh, BMW. Enjoy this Vengeance Stage 2 clutch. Like, the more I drive it, the more I enjoy it. It's heavy, but at the same time, like, under wide open throttle, I'm not gonna lie, it does feel very, very nice. But I will say this, if you're not like banging the gears, it's kind of sketchy because it is heavy. But you know, obviously racing the car with this clutch, I really do enjoy it. But when I'm just doing like regular hits, like what you saw earlier in the vid, obviously I'm not, you know, like bah, 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 you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just kind of like, I'm kind of just like cruising with it. It's a little bit sketchy, but at the same time, it does feel pretty nice. There's actually quite a bit of traffic out here, I ain't gonna lie. I want to do another hit, but any of these cars could just merge out. So that's kind of sketch. I know a lot of people don't like the drone, but hey, you know what? Race car things. Nah, it's not bad. It only drones when my foot's on the gas. Like when I'm actually cruising like this, it's gone. For the most part. But we got an opening up here, low key. to nobody, no reason to go 100%, but man, this thing is so fun, bro. It's like, it's a rush every time I do a hit, for real. Every time I do a hit, it's a rush in this car. That's when you know you bought the right car and you put the right modifications on it. When it's a rush every time, that's when you know you made the right decision. That Sentry blower, man, it just comes in, it's like going, 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 gone. That fourth gear is a time warp. And hopefully it's gonna get even faster with the 105. Color though, man, those would be badass dailies, like low-key. Those really would be badass dailies. I'm talking about trading in my MK82 S650 for a 10-speed. What I really should do in all reality, yes, it's cool to have two builds on the channel, but I really should honestly like make the adult decision and like actually get like a daily driver. You know what I'm saying? I really should do that. Will I do that? Probably not, but I really should make the adult decision and buy like an actual daily, you know, and not like some $1,000 like, you know, Facebook Marketplace special, which I've done before. You know, they'll last for about 8 months, and then when something happens, you just get rid of it. But man, I've been so back and forth with that car. You know, that's bad though. That's really bad. Because with this car, I've been dead set on like what I wanted to do. And you know, I've been getting it done. With the S650, I've been back and forth. It's kind of bad. You know what I'm saying? Like thinking about it right now, that's actually so bad that I'm like back and forth with it. And like this stuff isn't cheap. I don't know, maybe that's a sign to just, you know, get rid of it and then just move on to something else. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Because one day I'm like, I'm getting a 10-speed, which again, I probably will get a 10-speed, but it's not good when you're back and forth with something that costs a decent amount of money, and then you're gonna go ahead and put even more money into it to go race it. You know what I'm saying? Like that's not really a good thing. You need to be dead set on these builds. Otherwise, you know, you can run into complications, and you will run into complications. Man. Okay, this Honda's coming up hot. What the heck is he doing? I am going 70 in the left lane. Let me get over for him. God damn, bro. This car is fucking wild, man. See, the 10-speed is never gonna feel that exhilarating bang in the gears. It just won't. It will not feel that exhilarating bang in the gears. It just won't. It just won't. This shit feels crazy. Oh my god, it feels crazy.
One eternity later.
All right, it is multiple hours later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Really love the ESS G3R Supercharger on the Shelby GT350. Again, we have the 110mm pulley on the car, UPR breather can, tank, whatever you want to call it, ID 250X injectors, lethal performance dual booster pumps, boundary oil pump gear, as well as crank sprocket, the G4 intercooler, the 20-inch welds in the front, 18s in the back, and it rained for a hot minute, and the car's already dirty. It is what it is. Yellow car, it's gonna get dirty, but hey, we drive it. That's all that matters, y'all. See, the car hooks up from second, like when it's warm out. It's like 80 something degrees. It might be approaching 90. So that's good. But when it starts to get below like 60, whoo, this thing is dangerous, y'all. This thing is dangerous. But hopefully you guys enjoy the content, y'all. We're about to go ahead and turn up the car a little bit more. Whew. I kind of want to get some new wheels, but at the same time, I don't really want to spend the money on the wheels I want to get. I don't know if it's worth it in all reality. You know what I'm saying? I like the way the car looks now. Not necessarily different, but it just looks clean, in my personal opinion. So I think we're just gonna rock with the Weld Belmonts. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.